Hey guys, this is Gabriel Gonzalez here at MarineMax in St. Pete. Today we have a beautiful piece of new inventory behind me, 35 SLX from Sea Ray with the brand new V10 400s. Come take a look with me. Hey guys, as we make our way inside the 350 SLX, we approach from the aft here. And we see just an awesome seat here that comes up. Then you have a footrest, slides out nicely with a cooler down below. Also storage inside of that seat here, and also this whole entire area will come up with storage underneath it. So no lack of storage as you enter here, and we haven't even gotten into the cockpit yet. So follow me and we'll get into the cockpit. Now here we are in the cockpit of the boat. Of course, sunshade that extends aft to right in front of the motors. Nice L-shaped seating here, storage underneath, table that goes into the floor to make this a nice dining area. Grill, sink, fridge, and access to a trash can right in here. Let's make our way to the helm. We have our Sea Ray digital dash here with the twin Simrad screens here. Premium sound system by Fusion here with Fusion speakers throughout the boat. Controls for your GPS nicely appointed right in front of your joystick controls, which this boat has. So you'll have Skyhook, autopilot with it as well. Digital throttle and shift for Mercury with active trim built in. And of course your Simrad VHF radio. And then over here on your port side, nice area to get out of the sun, get some shade, get some rest. Great area for the kids, the grandkids. And then right in front of the helm, we'll have our head. Here in the bow area, the 350 SLX, it's a pretty versatile platform here. So you have these loungers basically that you can fit, a full-size person. You can take these out on each side. And then you can allow for a table on each side as well. So pretty awesome entertaining area. Storage down below, access to your windlass in the front, freshwater wash down as well. And that's about it. If you have any questions on these boats, give us a call at MarineMax in St. Pete. Again, my name is Gabriel Gonzalez. Thank you for joining us.